So you're thinking about adding hedge trimming to your lawn care services? It's a fantastic way to boost your income if you do it right. Today I'll break down the best tools for the job, pro tips on how to get perfect results and how to turn those one-off hedge jobs into consistent income. Let's jump in. First things first, having the right tools. This will make your life so much easier. Here's what I recommend: trestles and a plank. It helps keep the cut nice and level and keeps it tidy. Handheld petrol or battery powered trimmers, ideal for precision work. A pole cutter, great for regular maintenance, but not as effective for tackling overgrown hedges. If you're serious, add a small chainsaw to handle the thicker branches. And here's what I do. I start by turning my pole trimmer's cutting head to a 90-degree angle and walk along the hedge line to create a clean cut to use as a guide. This way, when I'm up a ladder, it gives me a target and makes it a lot easier to get a nice clean cut along the top of the hedge that's level. Before you start going out there trimming hedges and charging, practice on a few friends and family's hedges. This helps you redefine your technique, avoid uneven and choppy cuts, and build confidence in your work. Nobody wants a badly cut hedge, so take the time to master the skill first. And one of the biggest mistakes I see people making is treating a hedge trimming job as a one-off job. Instead, position it as a recurring service. Offer scheduled trims every 3 to 6 months. Explain to the customers that regular maintenance gives you a better looking hedge and it's less costly in the long run. This means predictable income for you and better results for them. It's a win-win. Now, if you're tackling a seriously overgrown hedge, don't rely on just the pole trimmer. Here's my approach. I use the handheld trimmer first to get a nice clean top, and I remove the big branches with a chainsaw. Don't try and force a trimmer through super thick wood that they're not going to comfortably cut. Then when you're finished, you can go over it with a pole trimmer for the final touches. A pole trimmer shines when maintaining a hedge, but it's not that great when it comes to reclaiming a hedge. So you're looking at growing your lawn care business to 10K a month without hiring employees or spending a ton on ads? Join my free community, the Lawn Business Builders. Get expert tips and connect with pros and scale your business the right way. Click the link below to start building a profitable, predictable lawn care business today. Are you offering hedge trimming services? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lawn care business tips. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.